YouTube? I'm in the parts room. If you look at the title, you should know what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to the shop, and I'm having the cam swapped out for a stage 1, because the stage 2, even though I like the idle, it is too lumpy for the car and for when I supercharge it. And a guy's going to buy the cam off me as soon as I yank out the cam. So I'm getting my money back. So let me see here. I need timing chain cover, gaskets, the timing chain. I need some gaskets here. Okay. Let's see here. 1, 2. Let me see here. Cam's in the car. And a few more things, and we'll be on our way. Auto Services. This place is great. They've been doing work for my cars since probably back in the early 90s. So this is like the place to go. And I'm going to leave the address here in the description. If you're in San Antonio and you need work done on your car at an economical price, this is the place to go. They won't do you wrong. They won't try to rip you off. I'm just waiting on my rental car to get here so I can leave. I'm just here in the parking lot. One of the mechanics here just bought the cam out of my car. He's going to put it in a 4Runner that he's making out of a Ford Ranger. So the cam would have been perfect for his car. So, and I'm getting back the same amount of money I spent to get the cam. So I'm pulling even. And it'll take a few days for them to swap out the cam and everything. And I'm going to put in a stage 1, which won't have that crazy idle. It'll have a little nice idle to it, but it won't be lumpy like it is right here. When I get the car to the shop, I'm going straight to the muffler place and have them put in my new exhaust. And then I'll make a video of what it sounds like with the stage 1 and the new crazy exhaust I'm putting on it. Until then, I'll see you.